Alright, so I have a 2007 Honda Odyssey. Everybody says that you can use the aux button, and here's the proof that you can actually use your aux button. Alright, so I have my phone connected, and I'll turn on the aux button and I can hear what's coming out of the phone. Alright, so I'll show everybody how I have my setup. Alright, so this is what I did. I have audio wires going to a Bluetooth receiver, and my phone is paired to this Bluetooth receiver. What I did is I got audio wires from RCA to 3.5 millimeter, and I connected it to this Bluetooth receiver, and it's connected back here where the video and audio go into the rear entertainment system. That's all you got to do, and you should be able to play your music through your aux. As you can see, I have it in aux, and I'm able to play music through Bluetooth using my iPhone.